Welcome back to Home Sense with Nell. I hope you guys can hear me okay. So today is August 5th and I'm doing a garden update. I haven't been out, or I haven't filmed my garden since the last video I did where I showed you guys my beans, which I was so excited about. So today I just wanted to share with you the growth that I'm having. I'm very happy with what I'm seeing growing in the planter boxes. I do have a few questions, and I'm hoping that you guys out there in the YouTube community can help me, because as a beginner, I don't know everything. This is my first attempt at gardening. We've been having a lot of fun harvesting things here and there, like a few small tomatoes and strawberries and things like that. But, I'm just learning, so I don't know everything. So let me take you to my planter box set my husband and I built, and I'm going to show you the first problem. So as you can see, these are my beans, my bush beans, and hopefully the camera will pick it up. I do have quite a bit of damage on the leaves. Can you guys see that? Yeah, and I don't know what it is. I don't think, if it's an insect, I can't tell. I don't see anything on the leaves. I'm wondering if it's sun damage or sunburn. If it is, please leave a comment and let me know if it is and what I can do about it. I've been reading online about the sun damage, and some people are saying that you can use shade cloth, but I don't want to put the shade cloth up if that isn't the problem. So please let me know in the comments down below, guys. This is my largest bush bean. That one's doing pretty well. It seems like the ones on this side of the bed are doing a little bit better than the ones on this side of the bed. And I have no idea why. I try to water them equally, so I really don't know. But I'd appreciate your help, you guys. Okay, second thing. So I have these gorgeous zucchini plants here. I have 4 in total. And as you can see, the zucchini plants, here's one and here's one. They're very close together. I didn't expect them to grow quite so large, so I'm not sure if this is okay, or do I need to pull one out and allow more room for the roots or for the branches of the bigger one to survive. And same thing on this side. There's one plant here and there's one plant here. What is that, maybe 4 inches apart? So let me know, guys, if this is okay, or do I need to take one out to allow for more growth. But these are beautiful. I can't wait. I'm not even a huge zucchini fan, to be honest, but I can't wait to harvest these zucchini. My own zucchini, I'm sure, will be even better to me. Oh, look at that flower. Okay, guys, so I have another situation. I live here in a community that has a lot of people from other cultures. And a lot of them have told me that Moringa is a very beneficial plant to have. It's a tree. It's a very beneficial tree to have. You can eat the leaves, you can eat the pods, and it's a prolific grower. So a friend of mine gave me some Moringa seeds, and I decided to try it and plant them, and they are actually sprouting. Look at that. But what happened was, I actually got 4 little tiny saplings, I guess you call them, but some kind of worm came and ate the leaves. Actually, there are 2 worms. I have 4 plants, so there were 2 worms, and they eat the majority of the leaves off overnight. So anyway, the leaves were eaten off overnight by these 2 caterpillars. My daughter was able to find them, and she took them off. So I think I can, sorry about the dogs, guys. I think they'll be okay. But if you guys have any tips about that, how to keep them away from my plants, I'd appreciate that. Okay, let's go over to the next bed. Oh, these dogs. Okay, so wow. This, I don't know if you guys can see that cherry tomato plant right here. This thing is like a monster. It's getting so big. I can't believe how big it gets. I mean, it was already like a very good grower, but then I fertilized it with some fish fertilizer, and it just took off. It took off. So that's my cherry tomato. And then here's the mint. Hopefully the lighting is good enough, guys. There's the mint. The mint is wonderful. I do see, hopefully you can pick this up, these little dots on here. They're not aphids. I don't know what is going on, but I'm gonna investigate that. Try to figure out what that is so I can treat it. We had a huge basil bush, but we cut it down. And it's just sprouting new leaves for us. It's awesome. And then when we have green onion bottoms, we plant them, and so there's our little green onion patch. There's Herschel's cousin. And then I have the two different varieties of strawberry. The Seascape. This one actually seems to be producing more strawberries for us. And then I also have the Quinault, which I've heard from various gardeners is a very good variety, but it doesn't produce as much. Not sure why. The Quinault's back there, and the Seascape is in the front. But this is my most amazing plant, guys. This is the watermelon. This thing, I planted one transplant watermelon. I think I bought it either at Lowe's or Home Depot, not sure. But this thing has just taken off. I mean, this is incredible. Look at this, guys. I had to build a trellis for it because it was just taking over the whole garden bed, the whole planter box, excuse me. And I do have two little babies. Oh, I hope you can see that. There's one in there. And there's another one right here. And I have a question about this, these little hammocks. Can you just see that? Oh, I don't know, I think the lighting's not good, but there's a little baby watermelon in there. Does the color of the hammock matter? Those are stockings, but they're opaque. These are the only ones I could find. Does it matter? Does the fruit itself need sun, or do just the leaves need sun? Please let me know in the comments, okay? But guys, that's it so far. That is my August update. Looking forward to harvesting and sharing more updates with you guys, and also seeing your updates, because I know quite a few of you garden, and I just love to watch your videos and see what you guys are up to. Okay, so this has been Nell at Home Sense with Nell. We talk about DIYs, home decor, gardening, cooking, basically everything related to making your home your sanctuary, and we do it all on a budget. If that's your thing, please like, share, and comment. I would love to hear from you. Take care.